Hi, welcome to my online course on Trial ABAP System with HANA database on SAP Cloud Platform. If you are looking for system to practice the development of ABAP objects such as CDS view and AMDP procedures, and if you don't want to spend money on costly subscriptions, then you have come to the right place. In this course, I will tell you how you can get your own 90 days free trial ABAP system on cloud with HANA as a database for developing ABAP objects such as CDS view and MDP procedures. In this course, you will learn how to connect trial ABAP system in cloud with Eclipse-based development environment. In this course, you will also get 25 sample codes for developing and practicing CDS views and AMDP procedures. Since this trial ABAP system is optimized for cloud usage, not all the features of on-premise ABAP system is available here. In this course, we are also providing you some workarounds to overcome the limitations of trial ABAP system. Join this course and get your 90 days free trial ABAP system on cloud with HANA as a database in just 30 minutes and start developing and practicing CDS views and AMDP procedures.